All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Hyundai Elantra. It is the SE model, this beautiful gray with gray interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. Super nice, only 26,000 miles on this vehicle. Best of all, minimal damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty damn nice. Here's your front driver's hubcap. And your tire tread here is just under 7/32, above 4. This door looks good. This rear door looks pretty good. Does have a heavy scratch about 2 inches. Another one here about 4 inches. And another one here about 3. And this one about 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 little scratches. A little ding here. No paint off on this quarter, but it is there. The rest of the quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's side hubcap. And your tire thread here is under 7/32, above 4. Let me double check that. Under 7/32, above 4. Here's your shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Let's jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does come with 2 keys and 2 key fobs and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right. Got your AM, FM stereo system right here, AC and everything. AC, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument console looks like. You have, as you can see, no lights on or any issues except for airbag light. And there's your miles of 26,411. Seems to be a little dirty or something there. That's about it. Open up the trunk. Boom. Keeping it moving. Your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your lift deck lid here looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big. Here's of course your spare tire with some tools, and I tucked away your owner's manuals right there. Alright, this quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. Your tire thread back here is under 7/32, above 4. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender does have a little chip. front passenger door has a little chip there. Less than an inch. The rest of the door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger hubcap looks good. And your tire thread is under 7/32, above 4. That's correct. Lights are working. Car looks good. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra, the SE model. Beautiful gray with gray interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, only 26,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.